Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back, Striker fam. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about the ultimate beast PC we can make in exactly under like a budget would be 60k in Indian rupees. So, first of all, we are looking for processor processor for a PC. So processor for PC. So we are going to build the best budget. So right now we need the i5 12th generation. So we'll just write i5 uh, 12th generation processor. We'll look for this one. This one has DDR uh, 5 and 4 support. That's for the RAM. Okay. Second on the list, what do we need? We need a motherboard. So let me think. We need a motherboard that supports 12 gen. Okay, so after writing this, we look for a budget one. We can go with this one as this is better because this one is only adding Wi-Fi. We can use a Wi-Fi adapter. That would be better. And even better if we remove the 9001, we can just add this one. Okay, so we'll like stay more in the budget. After that, we need memory. So like instead of writing memory, we'll write RAM and let's go for 32 GB as it's good for a budget build. 216, no, we're getting, why is this one 15,000 and this single stick this much? I don't know. We are going for a DDR4 RAM. Oh my god, no man. Let me just search RAM 16 gigabytes and this one, no. We need this one, add to cart, and then this will do the quantity to 2. Guys, do the quantity to 2, remember, as we want 32 gigs of RAM. Then we need storage. This one is gonna be tricky as we need a proper good storage. So storage storage for PC 1 terabyte. At least we need 1 terabyte. But I know these would be very expensive. So we'll find, we don't want this SATA because these SATAs are like slow. I am liking this one as this one is like 4799. Let's see if we see anything cheaper. Alright, low budget. Oh, I don't budget. Okay, the lowest we can go was that only. Yeah, 4799. It's very good for the price we are getting it. Then we need power supply needed. Oh, this one is gonna be tricky. So we need a 80 plus bronze rated one. Power supply PCU, and we need 80 plus bronze. Okay. See, Cooler Masters are most like the trusted one. So I'll just write 650. Let's go for 650 volts to be like safe. And we need Cooler Master only. So this one, yeah, we'll go for this. Then what do we need? We need a case. Okay. So we also need a case for gaming PC. So let's look. Oh, this Ant Esports a light. Let me check if this has good airflow. Okay, okay. So see, this is a 120 millimeter one. Let me just check. Is that power supply also 122? Um, What about our motherboard? Okay, so maybe we should wait. Let me see if there's some other case options. And there was a really trending case named the Rocket. Let's check for the Rocket if we can get it for cheap. Rocket gaming PC cabinet. Oh, this one is gonna be expensive. Yeah. Oh, we are getting such a good deal with this Rocket. We can go for this one, but to stay in the budget, we are right now going with this one. Okay, nice. So we also have the case. Now we need some CPU coolers. Before that, we also need a graphics card. Graphics card, gaming, high end. Okay, so for a high end graphic card, we are not going for AMD, guys. I'm so sorry. Mm, GeForce. No. Let's go for a RTX 3060 as they are one of the best graphic cards. RTX 3060. Okay, damn. This is a 12 GB one. Let's see how many VRAM. We need 16. Let's see. No, okay. Let's go for the gigabyte. Wait, let's check for the RTX 3060 Ti, the price. Uh, which is better? RTX 3060 or 3060 Ti? Okay, let's see. Ti or 3060 Super. Let's see. What the hell, guys? Maybe there's a glitch in the matrix. The RTX 3060 is 24,000, but the RTX 3060 Ti is. Wait, sorry, that's the 8 gigs one. Oh, okay. But let's see. But RTX 3060 Ti, we need a 12 GB one. Let's see the price. 3060. This is not the Ti. Maybe there is no Ti for that. We'll just go with the normal RTX. This one, 3060. Remember, our budget is 60K. So let me add graphics card. Okay. So yeah, now we need a good CPU cooler. One of the most important thing. CPU. Guys, the prices may vary, so please be sure. We need a heavy duty one. So we can go for this one. So we need a one that supports Intel i5. Okay. Oh my god, we are getting the original one for only 290. Should we take the risk? No, guys. This one is not the thing. We are not going for a water purified one because I don't think so. We need one. Let's just search CPU cooler. See, we have one. This is a 121. Um, no, 240. Okay, no, no, no. Let's just go with this one for now. And let's see. We have completed the PC, but remember we took the like cheap motherboard. So we need a Wi-Fi extension for our PC. So Wi-Fi extension for PC. We need like yeah, guys. How can we get such a good one on the first try? So we just need this one. This one is a 600 MBS one and will support our PC. So guys, now let's finish with the build here. We saved 2k. The PC's price is 58k. You can see, I'll leave the links to everyone. Remember, this is the 16 GB RAM. We have done this twice. Wait, it was twice already. So no, we are coming at exact of 60k. Yeah, so everything is here. This is like the best PC you can get in 60k. This will perform excellent in gaming, that I can assure. This is one of the best that is affordable. We can go for a different RAM if you want. This is the RAM that I recommend, but I know less about it because I have used this in the past many times and for builds. But you can see if there's 132 gigs one, or even if you go with only 16 gigs, it's gonna be good and excellent, that I can assure. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out, Striker fam.